The same utility has been extended to ANSYS Forte solver. ANSYS Forte is an automatic remeshing solver based on Cut-Cell Cartesian Remeshing. Here you can see an example of a piston cylinder case. A 2D cross-section has been taken in the circular cylinder. And because this works with a Cartesian Cut-Cell remeshing, you don't need the SCORG generated mesh for the application. But what can be useful for the user is to get the CAD data from SCORG. And in this respect, you can get the main rotor profile and its CAD, the gate rotor profile and its CAD, the theoretical ports for the suction and the discharge. On the discharge side, you can get the axial port. On the suction side, you can get axial as well as radial port. And it is a one-step process. In the CFD setup, you just select the preprocessor file as ANSYS Forte. And in the project folder or the project directory of Forte assembly will be created, which can then be taken into Workbench, and using space claim or design modeler, you can convert it into a Forte input file. An example is shown here of a hook and claw assembly. This typical grid generation is currently not available in SCORG. So for users which are exploring this kind of geometry, can take the advantage of ANSYS Forte export.